Hey there, everyone. So we're just about to get into spreadsheet number 2. This is the one that is far more detailed. We'll have a lot more information in it. We'll actually have a monthly tracker to see how you were doing. So realize that that work is coming. The first one was kind of introductory. This one is far more detailed. So let's talk about what you need to bring so you are ready to do this. Here we go. Let's make this a little bigger. All right, so things you're going to need. First off, you're going to need your yearly income, right? Your yearly income. If you don't know your yearly income, you're just paid hourly. Take $20 an hour, whatever your hourly rate is, times 2,080, 2080. That will produce a yearly income. I'd love for you to estimate, or you need to estimate your taxes, because taxes come out first, right? Fed and state. Look it up if you don't know, look at your tax return. Very few of you will say zero, right? Most of us pay something in taxes. Next up, we're going to ask for a list of your monthly expenses. I give you plenty of examples. There's a whole worksheet on some examples. I want to know what they are. And again, you don't have to go down to the very low end. You can bulk them together. For example, you can use a category called meals. You don't need a separate a category called morning coffee. Just add the coffee to the meals category. This is about being close. You don't have to get down to the penny, at least right now. Then we're going to try to figure out what your estimated monthly spend is, right? If you are a couple or your family, I would do this together. I would validate with each other. And then we're going to be tracking your monthly expenses. So you could do this weekly, as some of you will undoubtedly, but you have to do it monthly, worst case. You'll see the spreadsheet has been built for you. Once you put in your budgets, you can track your actuals and it will change colors based on how your actuals did to budget. A couple of things to remember. It's on the worksheets, but I just want to say them here. The green fields, those are inputs. You will put those in. The red or rose fields, those are auto calculations. They will calculate for you. Don't touch them. And then yellow fields, those are the ones that I want you to focus on. Those are the ones that should tell you something. And yes, if you heard, this is Jimbo. He's a little whiny this morning. So I apologize if the mic is picking it up. But yes, the yellow fields are kind of key understandings. And then lastly, remember, both of these spreadsheets are intended to facilitate family discussions. I would love you to have family discussions. I'd love you to do it together. I'd love you to review it monthly. Money needs to be talked about. Spending needs to be talked about. Income needs to be talked about. Taxes needs to be talked about. Disposable income needs to be talked about. So that's what I got for you. Get ready. Spreadsheet number 2 is far more detailed.